how to log into Capcut with Google. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can log in or sign in into your Capcut with Google. So let's get started. Once you open your Capcut application on your PC, you'll be able to see something like this, and here at the left side you'll be able to see an option sign in. So when you click on sign in, you'll be able to see a pop-up window over here that says sign in, and here you need to select by which you need to sign in. So if you wish to sign in with Google, so just click on it, and once you click on that you'll be redirected to your web browser, and here you need to select the email with which you wish to sign in. So you're going to select the email with which you wish to sign in, and once you click on it, just click on continue over here, and you'll be redirected to an interface that'll say that you have been signed in. So you need to open your Capcut just. So here you need to just click on open Capcut, and once you click on open Capcut, you'll be redirected to your Capcut application again. And here you can see now that you have been signed in with your account, and you've gotten space that says your name and then space. You can even create or join other spaces of your own choice. So that is how you can sign in with your Google account into Capcut. If you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.